Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Fun Chinese and Learn Chinese. My name is teacher Li Wu Long. You can call me Lao Shi Long. In this YouTube channel, you are going to learn Mandarin in the simplest way that is possible by the help of Bitmoji, animation and many more interesting stories. So stay tuned if you want to learn Chinese by the help of YouTube videos. If you want to, then stay tuned with me through this channel and I will make sure that you will learn Chinese in the simplest manner. I request you all, before I start this video, make sure you are subscribing my channel and hitting the like button and share this video.
你好
Hello.
你好
Hello.
你忙吗
Are you busy?
我不忙，你呢？
I'm not busy. How about you?
我也不忙
I am also not busy.
你好
Hello.
你好，
Hello.
你忙吗
Are you busy?
我不忙，你呢？
I'm not busy. How about you?
我也不忙
I am also not busy.
That's it for today's guys. We will meet you next time and please put your comments and share these videos as much as possible, and also please suggest me that what should be my next video, because ultimately you are the people who wants to learn Chinese.